Hey, what's up? What's up? My name is Destiny. Welcome to Destiny's Vlogs. If you're new, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you're an OG, welcome the fuck back. I don't know when I started saying that. It's kind of been a while, but yeah, I feel like these are in the way, so we're gonna kind of like move those out the way. But aren't they cute? Get into the vibes. Yeah, my man bought me these babes. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys are having a really good day. I'm in a very great mood. We're gonna cook today. Because I'm hungry and because I need to meal prep because I'm busy. So yeah, this is also going to be like a life update. I hope you are enjoying the vlogs that I'm producing well. I want to be doing it and doing it and doing it well and doing it and doing it and doing it well. So I'm sorry if I'm too hyped for you right now, but like, don't worry, I do mellow out. This is not me all the time. And I feel though that like I should change my shirt, so let me go do that because I want the thumbnail to be cute and presentable. So yeah, okay, I got pretty presentable for you guys. I hope that you felt with the vibe. I hope that you appreciate the effort and the drip I just put on. It's really slight. I'm just playing. I just want to get kind of cute for a second. Anyways, we're cooking today, so I'm gonna take this stuff off. But let me take a picture for the thumbnail, which is why I kind of like got cute. No bra though, because I'm in my home. And like, if you don't respect that, then like you don't get me. So that sucks for you. So we're making bourbon chicken without the bourbon because the recipe said that the bourbon is optional. I'll put the recipe on the screen. I got it from Lemon 8. If you're moving somewhere or like you need cooking stuff, go to TJ Maxx, y'all. Then I'm making chia seed pudding. I've been wanting to make that for so long. See if I found the chia seed pudding recipe on the Lemon 8 app or on TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna just do it based on this. These from Publix. These are the chia seeds. I'm using coconut milk. These are the containers, so I have 4. This is the stuff up close. I don't know why I always buy this vanilla syrup or vanilla, yeah, whatever, extract, whatever. I just always do. I don't know. And then I'm using coconut milk because I have stomach problems. And probably shouldn't be using silk milk, so give me another recommendation. Using these frozen, ground cinnamon, agave, these chia seeds, and then these containers, which I got from Walmart. And then this is the reference for like on Lemon 8. Her name is Claire Killian. We're gonna follow her because she is, you know, helping us with the video. So yeah, and I'll put this down in the description, but I'll also put this picture in the thumbnail. So period. Let me switch you guys back up so we can really get into it. So I'll update you guys later about life when I'm actually cooking. But right now, I'm about to watch some anime because I have gotten back into it because now I have more time on my hands. So yeah, I have been watching Demon Slayer. I restarted it because period. Because it's like a couple of animes that I really want to watch, and Demon Slayer is one of them. So like, I'm gonna put on some music and you're just gonna watch me make the chia seed pudding for now because copyright purposes.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over even when you're gone.
Yeah, I know it's the next day. Literally I was gonna go buy chicken thighs and then I didn't, and then I also realized that we had some frozen, so I thawed them out all day, and so now we're gonna finally be able to make the bourbon chicken. So it's the next day. I also have like a big, I don't know, my husband said he thinks it's a bite. I think it's a pimple or a bite at this point. I don't even know. So I have a little patch on my face. But yeah, so let me find the recipe and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it and then do the update too. I forgot she got bouillon. I didn't get the bouillon, so hopefully our sauce is still good. Let me get a knife. Okay, this is the knife that we're using to cut up our chicken. And then this is the drink that we're drinking, but while we're cutting up our chicken, we won't be drinking anything. So I'm gonna take the chicken out of here, cut it up here, and then put it in here, and then season it and all that stuff. But I hope that you guys are having a really great day. Let me give you guys the update. So if you're new here, my name is Destiny. I've been on YouTube for like 2 years now, but honestly, just haven't been very consistent. So we're changing that. So you'll see me a lot more. I'll post lifestyle type of vlogs, study vlogs, day in my life, weekend in my life, trips that I take, travel content. That's the type of content I have over here. So it's all about showing you how to be a girl boss, but also having fun, because it's about balance at the end of the day. And things about me, I'm 26. I just turned 26, April 27th, so it hasn't been that long. So I'm a fresh 26. I'm a Taurus, married. I got married in 2021, so we had like a COVID wedding. It was literally January, so it was a COVID wedding. And I graduated December 2020 with my Bachelor's of Science in Finance. I'm trying to think what else. I'm a Florida baby, born and raised, but I have lived in a couple of different states, so we'll get into that in a second. Okay. But yeah, so I lived in, sorry, I'm like drying the chicken in the bag. It just makes it easier to like do, and plus it's just, I don't know, I'm very funny with chicken, so yeah. By the way, I did wash my hands, but I feel like I should do it again on camera, because if I don't do it, then you guys are gonna be like, oh, you didn't wash your hands. So our hands are washed. Born in Florida, and then we moved to Nashville, Tennessee when I was like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 or something like that. Honestly, y'all, I can't even remember. And I'm sorry if this is really mellow for you guys, but this is literally how I talk. This is just my personality. But yeah, so we moved there when I was like, I don't know, 2 or 3 or 4 or something like that. And then I think we moved back, I'm trying to remember how old I was. When we moved back, I don't really recall how old I was. From Nashville back to Florida. And then I moved to Ohio when I was like getting out of 5th grade, going into 6th grade. I spent 6th grade in Ohio. And then I moved back to Florida. And then after that, I moved to South Carolina when I was like 11 to 12 or something like that. And then I stayed there for like not that long, maybe like half of a school year. And then I moved back to Florida again. And I've been in Florida ever since, all of my adult life. So yeah. Basically, I was raised in Florida. Like, it's always obviously where I just keep coming back home to. So yeah, I do want to live outside of Florida though as an adult. It just hasn't happened yet. But maybe one of these days. As far as life update, last year, I think I definitely talked about this on one of the vlogs about how I really want to lose weight. So last year I started at 265 and currently I'm at 232. Although I weighed myself the other day and it said 234, but I've been eating bullshit, so that's why we're probably at 234, so I'm just going to say 234. What else is going on in life? I was working 2 jobs. I was working at Walmart too, which I said earlier. And I do, but now I only do it on the weekends instead of doing it 5 days a week, because I was literally dying, and then there was like no time for me to even make content for you guys. Like, I don't know why I did that to myself, but I feel like sometimes we girl boss a little too hard, or what do they call it, a little too close to the sun. And then we have to reevaluate, and that's exactly what I just went through. So I still do work 7 days a week, yes, but now it's not like I'm working 2 jobs in 1 day, if that makes sense. So I only work 1 job every day. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so now I'm transitioning into getting serious so that I can really study for the GMAT, because I do want to go back to school. I really want to go to USF, but my dad told me to look at other schools that don't require a GMAT to be taken. So I might honestly consider that, because it would just save me more time. But I also do want the experience that I didn't get in undergrad. I want it like in college, because I feel that I want to connect with people and like make friends and like our colleagues and stuff. And I feel that if I do an online program, I won't really get the same type of interaction. Like right now, that's what's going on. I'm really focused on my health right now and like losing more weight. My goal weight is to be at like, it was always to get back down to 180, which is my high school weight. But my friend made a very good comment and she was just like, you're not in high school anymore. Like your body, you're a grown woman. Like you can't, you know, whatever. So I think I'm going to switch my goal to be 200 pounds or at least like 195. I just want to be in the one somethings. I haven't been in the one somethings since I was like 19. So I feel like I owe it to myself to get there. But yeah, so I'm really focused on my health right now. Maybe I'll do a different video and like talk about the supplements I'm taking and like what exactly I'm doing to lose more weight. I'm sorry I'm rambling. This is how I talk. But yeah, so that's what's been going on. I'm trying to think what else. That's pretty much all I have. Let me hurry up and finish cutting up this chicken and then we'll finish talking. Okay, so now that I've washed my hands again and then now we just have the chicken cut up, we're gonna season it. First I'm gonna put some olive oil in the bowl and then I'm gonna season it with some Lari's seasoned salt. And then I'm gonna use some garlic powder, onion powder, and I'll put this I'll put the screenshot of the recipe that I do have, like the one that I'm following for this, also black pepper, and I'll put it on the thumbnail, and then I'll also put the instructions and like the recipe and stuff down below. But I got it off with the Lemonade app. This is not sponsored because they don't even know I exist, but if you want to sponsor your girl, let me know. But on the Lemonade app, there's literally, it's like Instagram and TikTok mixed together if they had a baby. So you can make posts, videos, pictures, whatever, but like you can inform people about stuff. So like there's recipes on there, workout plans on there, you name it, anything on there. I personally love it. So we're gonna use some tongs and mix all this together, get the chicken cooking real fast, and then we're also gonna make the rice really fast. So let's switch up the angles.
Somebody I can call, looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you, what you wanna do, you can be my teacher, I'll do homework, you can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do, now it's me and you.
Okay, so we're adding in the soy sauce. We're gonna do 1/4 cup of soy sauce. She used low sodium, but I think I used regular. And then we're gonna do the hoisin sauce. We're gonna use 1/2 cup of hoisin sauce. Next, I'm gonna add in the brown sugar, and we're gonna use 3/4 cups of brown sugar. And you can substitute this if you want to make it low calorie, low sugar. Go ahead and use some like, I don't know, fake brown sugar or like, you know, sugar-free brown sugar, whatever you want to call it. Next, we're adding in the chicken, added in some butter. I don't think I added in ginger, but she did. I think I forgot, to be honest. And now our rice is finally done. Let me tell you something. Invest in a rice cooker. It has changed my life. It has literally changed my life. We're going to go in with the frozen broccoli because I don't feel like making regular broccoli, but it does taste better than frozen vegetables, I have to say. I didn't have a lid for this pan, so I covered it with aluminum foil. Not too much, don't come for me. We're going to go ahead and cook the broccoli, and then the rice, actually the rice wasn't done. It had 6 minutes left. Now the rice is done, and we're going to go ahead and plate. And I'm so sorry, you guys, but I definitely forgot to end this vlog. I don't know why. I think I was just so focused on cooking, and then look how good it looks. I wanted to eat. Can you blame me? Thank you for coming to this vlog. Love you. Bye.